My name is VELEZ. Our theme is the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless network technology that allows computers and other devices to communicate over a wireless signal. It describes network components that are based on one of the A21 standards developed by IEEE and adopted by the Wi-Fi Alliance. Wi-Fi is the standard where computers connect to wireless network. Nearly all modern computers have built Wi-Fi chips that allows users to find and connect to wireless routers. Most mobile devices, video game systems, and other standard one devices also support Wi-Fi, enabling them to connect to wireless networks. And when a device establishes a Wi-Fi connections with a router, in a communicating the router and other device on the network. However, the router must be connected to the Internet wireless cable modem in order to provide Internet access to connect device. Therefore, is the possibility to have a Wi-Fi connections with no Internet access.
Security and reliability. One of the problems with the technology faced nowadays Wi-Fi is the progressive saturation of the spectrum radioelectric. Due to the user's mass production, this concerns especially in the connection a long distance, measure of the 100 meters. Actually, the standard Wi-Fi is designed to the connection computers to the network to limited distance. Any use of major scopes is exposed to an excessive risk for interferences. The access not authorized to a device Wi-Fi is very dangerous for the hour for several motives. The most obvious is that they can use connection. But addition accessing to the Wi-Fi, it is possible to monitor and register all the information that is transmitted across him, included personal information, passwords, documents, images, etc. It to be made to follow the following recommendation. Frequent chances of the password of access using diverse characters, small letters, capital letters, and numbers. It is necessary to the modify SSID that comes predetermined to release the deactivation of the broadcasting SSID and the DHCP to indicate specialty connect Wi-Fi his IP to indicate especially that devices are authorized to connection. Utilities of codings. The device connect by means of the MAC address.
Safety example can be observed in the public cities as in the resident cities, in which the majority of the devices Wi-Fi is protected, and this helps from one third person do not try to steal information of them, but in the public cities, since the device Wi-Fi is without key, it is made easily that the person could steal local information in the one. That this example, the Wi-Fi of this house deactivated and anyone can enter. And the Wi-Fi of another house protection his information with the password.
is Diego Alejandro Vargas, explaining and speak about wireless devices, advantage and disadvantage. Okay, there are several good Wi-Fi dispositivos as routadores, repeaters, and access points. Access points are devices that generate something like service wireless network. Its function is allow the connection of various devices and wireless. The repeaters its function is to enlarge a weak signal. These devices are connected to the signal to strengthen. The routers are specifically designed for small networks. For example, a wireless of home is example the enrutadores. For small networks that is responsible for connecting our home or offices small with Ethernet equipment also can be connected by cable Wi-Fi. These are the most wireless devices stated. Now that we know the devices talk about the disadvantage and disadvantage of Wi-Fi. This technology offers the convenience of nothing being weighted as the cables are uncomfortable. Either we can this network for to multiple devices to connect to our network. Wi-Fi can be used in the world, in total world, in all towns, in all world. Disadvantage. One problem is the speed of wireless. On occasions that have interference and signal loss is generated for the environment. A major disadvantage is security. Is the security. Internet offers benefit. Unfortunately, there is very insecure and the signet program for your network information such as passwords and information of your network. Wi-Fi does not support Bluetooth or GPS. Power can be affected by objects like walls or string trees. Okay. Now I show the demonstration with devices as computer, smartphones, printers. Okay, it's good. This service offers the comfortable service. Don't need cables. We can connect different devices, smartphones, printers, computers, tablets, in one service, in one network. This is the important, is good, is good service. Demonstrate the function of the connection, the different devices. Okay. I have the router. The router is very important for the network. This is offer the network, the service, the wireless, and I can connect by wire cable and wireless, and this the router show the light of the whole function, and this the light power, the light online wireless, until okay, either connect the telephone. This is the router, and either connect the for wire cable to the computer. Okay, okay. Turn off. Turn off the wireless. Okay. Okay. And connect wire cable and the router to computer. Okay. Connect the cable. Okay. I have the same network. Don't change the network. No, it's the same. Okay, disconnect the cable and return to wireless. Okay, connect. Waiting to connect. Okay. Other device is the printer. This printer can connect to a network or wireless. Okay. This in the configure I have the information about all network, and the name of network. Okay, this is the button to configure. Okay. I show this printer show the information to configure the network to connect this network. Okay, in this turn on or turn off the option. Okay, this is the information of the signal of network, our network.